I've known these guys, Dario and Joaquin, for years and years. I love the machine. I think it's a fascinating, incredible, good, high performance, well-balanced helicopter with some of the best quality on the market. Not to undermine anybody else. They all have their pros and cons, but I love this thing, and I'm a good old nitro guy at heart. That's my thing, is nitro, because that's what I learned with. I mean, we didn't have electrics 30 years ago, 25 years ago. Anyhow, the Nitro is a great machine. It works extremely well, but there's always, as I said on my Facebook video, there's always room for improvement. So we've made some improvements. Don't expect anything out of this world. It's not, but it's something that's really good and solid, and we've addressed every little possible little thing that could be improved. It's been improved on this. So, McGrady, take it away, dude. Come on, do it. So I give you the Bert Kammerer edition Nitro 700. Gucci, I can hear your voice. Anyhow, you want to talk about this, or should I talk about it? So basically, it's just a good old Tron Nitro 90. There's not a lot to improve on this, but there are a few improvements. So we added some color. There's going to be more color options available. I wanted to go into that retro look of the clear anodized and matte instead of doing the black, because everybody's been doing black since the T-Rex days. So now we have clear anodized tail and head, a much improved clutch. We have an actual, you guys can touch and feel this, just don't take it away. An actual aluminum fan instead of plastic. It weighs only about 2 grams more, 1 gram more. It's the same weight as plastic. A much better clutch. We have a cutout for a switch, which is not on this early prototype. We just put this together last minute. But we have a cutout for a switch with multiple options for different types of switches. We have a tail belt idler that didn't exist before. We tensioner that we didn't have before. So there's a lot of upgrades going on in here. Not everything is final, just so you know, but within the next 2 to 4 weeks, everything will be defined, and we're looking at a scheduled release date of October. So, anyhow, thank you for being here. If you have any questions, let us know. Talk to this guy. He's a little shy, but he loves to talk to people. Talk to McGrady. Talk to any of the team guys, Ricky, Evo, everybody. Thank you, everybody. We appreciate it. Thank you.
No, I didn't. Yeah.